property to all of us. We from Group 4 will give a presentation about licensing in business. Before start the presentation, let you introduce ourselves. Nova Aulia as moderator. There is my colleague Ramanda as presenter 1. There is Tolibul Aspi as presenter 2. There is Aldi as presenter 3. And there is Elisa as presenter 4. Well, let's go straight to the question, which will be the question by Ramanda.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Ramanda Setiawita. I will read material about licensing regulatory issue. Licensing settings problem. Complicated process. Multiple things permits often involve multiplied government obligations. Suite is one requirement and procedures. For example, to start a business, you may need to obtain permits for the Department of Industry, Department of Trade, and the Department of Environment. Loss of documents. Each agency usually asks for various documents such as company date of establishment, NPWP, domicile certificate, and orders. Collection and preparing all these documents can be time-consuming. Expensive costs, official and unofficial fees. In addition to the official fees set by the government, there are often unofficial fees that must be paid to expedite the process or ensure that a permit is issued. This can be a significant financial burden, especially for small and medium-sized business. Consultant fees. Many entrepreneurs cost to ask the service of a licensing consultant to help them through this complicated process. While this can speed up the process, the cost of consulting service is not cheap. OSS, Online Single Submission System, lack of technological understanding. The OSS system is designed to simplify the licensing process by integrating a licensing service into an online platform. However, many small business owners are not familiar with technology and find it difficult to use the system. Complex requirements. While the system aims to simplify the process, the requirements that must be met remain complex and often confusing for entrepreneurs without a legal or administrative background. Regulatory changes. Dynamic regulation, licensing regulation often changes as government policy changes. Entrepreneurs must stay up to date and to ensure the remains complete. Difficulty in adapting. Frequent regulatory change can make it difficult for entrepreneurs to adapt, especially in the change require major adjustment in their business operation. That's all my presentation of the material.
Trend Business License atau SIOP. Definition of SIOP. Trend Business License is an official document issued by the government through the Department of Trade and Industry. SIOP is required by companies to carry out legal trading activities in Indonesia. Function of SIOP. 1. Business legality. SIOP serves as proof that your business is legal and recognized by the government. 2. Business trust. Having a SIOP increases the credibility of your business in the eyes of business partner and customer. 3. Administrative requirement. SIOP is often required to open a company bank account, participation in government tenders, and various other administrative needs. Types of SIOP. 1. Micro SIOP. For business with a maximum net worth of 550 million, include land and building. 2. Small CO. For business with net asset between 50 million and 500 million. Medium CO. For business with net asset between 500 million and 10 billion. Large CO. For business with net asset of more than 10 billion. Thank you.
Okay, next material. Financing institutions, licensing for financing institutions in Indonesia is regulated by the Financial Service Authority or OJK. Here are some important points related to financing institution licensing. 1. Submission of permit. An application to establish a financing company must be submitted by the Board of Directors to the OJK. And 2. Related regulation. The regulation governing business licensing and financing company institution is POJK number 47 or POJK MPT 5 or 2020. And 3. Purpose of licensing. Licensing aims to increase the relationship and competitiveness of the industry and support the development of financing companies and Sharia financing companies. And for legal risk, not having a business license can pose significant legal risk.
Okay, I will introduce about licensing in the industry field. Licensing in the industry sector play an important role in regulating and supervising business activities to comply with legal regulation and standards set by the government, in which Indonesia has carried about major reform in the term of licensing over the past 5 years with the issue of Government Regulation Number 5 of 2021. Concerning the implementation of risk-based business licensing, the main objective of this reform is to facilitate licensing and the investment climate by minimizing the many bureaucracies that often become obstacles to industrial growth. The following are some of the requirements of processing an industry business permit. First, notarized and dictionary of Ministry of Law. Next, PTP and NPWP of business owner. Company NPWP, building permit, environmental document, industrial principle approval if located outside the industry area, list of machineries and equipment signed by the company management. Legal basis. Licensing in the industry sector is regulated by several regulations including Law Number 5 of 1984, Consulting industry, Government Regulation Number 107. Regulation of the Minister of Industry Number 64. Government Regulation Number 5 of 2021. That's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, text on STEM dati. STEM dati is not imposed on certain document that have legal value and are used and evidence and or information. Based on law number 10, STEM dati is imposed on documents stating an amount of money with nominal value of more. Agreement, certificate, statement, and notarial deed. And use of STEM dati in business. 1. Contract and agreement. In business word, STEM dati is often used on contract and agreement to profile legal fact. This include cooperation agreement, sales and put contract and rental agreement. Okay, well, maybe that's all presentation. If there is mistake, we apologize. We will end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.